Here is how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2021 Hyundai Sonata Limited. This will be similar for the 2020 model and newer. Here is the glove box of the passenger side. Open it up. On the side, you'll see a damper you'll need to disconnect. To disconnect it, you squeeze these two tabs together, and then you pull this damper away from the side to the right, just like that. This part will need two hands. You'll take your one side of your hand on this side here and push inward. Your left hand will be on this side and you push it inward, and you pull the glove box downward. So I'm going to try and do this while holding the camera here. Just like so. So you got to push pretty hard to get these rubber tabs away from the side of the vehicle. It's because they hook into this opening here and this opening on this side. Inside is the cabin air filter door. You squeeze these two tabs here, and then you open up the door and you pull it off the side. There's a tab right there that hooks into the opening on the left there. There's the cabin air filter. There is the Hyundai part number if you need it. If there is an updated part number, I'll leave that link in the description below for the Hyundai and Kia part number. If the part number is different, it's because maybe there's a newer number than this one. And I'll also leave any aftermarket filters if you guys want it. You pull the filter out. This one is actually not that dirty. It is dirty, but not to the point where it needs to be changed just yet. So we'll put this one back in. If you have leaves and other debris on top of this filter, you want to make sure that there's no leaves inside here. It is hard to clean with your hand because there's a lot of plastic compartments inside here where you can't stick your hand in and actually clean. So try not to get any debris inside or let the leaves fall inside there. You can use a vacuum, but there's only so much you can vacuum out of it. So let's go ahead and put this filter back in. Make sure the airflow is facing down. Right. Grab the lid or the cover here. There's the left tab. Make sure that left tab goes into the open slot. Cover moves over, and then you can push the cover or push the cover till the two tabs click in, and make sure you can't pull the lid or the cover. Good. Now you can just lift up the glove box. The rubber tabs will go in by themselves. Here you go. Just like that. And then make sure to pull down the damper and make sure it hooks back in. And that's it. That is how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2021 Hyundai Sonata. Like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe to my channel. I really much appreciate it, and thanks for watching.